Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact board, Ga-a320m-s2h, and note the current BIOS version so you can compare later. Once done, download the matching BIOS package for your board and verify the checksum. This prevents corrupted flashes. Make sure to format a USB stick to FAT32 and copy the BIOS file, renaming it exactly if Gigabyte requires that naming convention. Finally, reboot into BIOS to enable QFlash, or place the board into the BIOS. You will use QFlash to update. Reboot and press End or F8 during post to open the QFlash utility, then choose Update BIOS from Drive. Next, locate and select the BIOS file on the USB stick and initiate the flash. This is critical, so do not interrupt power or press buttons. While the utility writes firmware, watch the progress bar and LED activity. It can take a few minutes. Once the write completes, the board will perform an automatic reboot. Let it finish without interference. After the reboot, enter BIOS and load optimized defaults to ensure stability, then reapply any custom settings like boot order or XMP manually. Save and exit. Confirm the BIOS version matches the file you flashed so you know the update succeeded. If the system behaves oddly, reinstall chipset drivers or restore settings. If the flash fails or the board won't boot, shut down, clear CMOS. Try a different FAT32 USB stick or file copy and repeat the QFlash process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.